I want to act like the first church. I want the Holy Spirit to set me ablaze and spread the love of Jesus like wildfire. I want to tear down the barriers and open the doors wide. I want to act like the first church. A place where everyone is invited to the table. A radically diverse group of people learning to live and love together. Tearing down boundaries between cultures, religions, and traditions. Multiplying rapidly because people of all ages, nations, races are loved and embraced for who they are. The book of Acts gives us a powerful example of how the first church redefined religion by making Jesus as accessible as possible. I choose to act like the first church. Will you join me